This is the biggest new feature in Google Chrome in years. We're talking split screen inside the web browser. I'm going to show you how to use it, some tips, tricks, and hacks to use it more like a pro. I'll also show you how to do split screen between Google Chrome and any other app. Tech it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? I'm Kirk. Listen, I know there's a lot of other changes that have come to Google Chrome under the hood that have been really important, but this is one of those features I've been waiting for years. They should have added this a decade ago. I don't know why they didn't, but the point is, it's here now at the end of 2025, split screen inside the web browser. I'm going to use the heck out of this thing. So I want to show you, first of all, how to set it up, how to use it, and then there are some pro tips and tricks that help you use it at a more advanced level. I'll break down all of those. And if you stick out to the B side of this video, I'm also going to show you how to do split screen in Microsoft Windows with Google Chrome and a different app. For example, Microsoft Excel. That's super useful, and I'm realizing a lot of people don't know how to use that. But first, I want to start inside Google Chrome to show you this brand new feature. So here we are inside Google Chrome, and it's actually very easy. It's a new option that's been added to the right click on any tab. So let's say, for example, I want to use this Yahoo tab and this spreadsheet tab and do them side by side. I can click on either of those tabs. I'm going to start with the Yahoo tab, and I'll right click, and now I have a new option. It's actually the second option down from the top, and it says Add Tab to New Split View. So I'm going to go ahead and click that option. And what it immediately does is it adds that tab that I just clicked on to the left side of the split view. On the right side of the split view, it shows me the other tabs that I have open in this browser. So it's telling me, hey, you could use any of these tabs as your other split view item. So I'm going to click on this Docs spreadsheet, and look at this. How useful would this be? I don't know about you, but I often find myself, especially in Google Docs spreadsheets or documents, and I need to go back and forth between a web page and the document. Now you can do it right there inside the web browser. And you'll notice there's a line in the middle. If you put your mouse cursor over the line, it lets you shrink and adjust which side gets more room. Of course, you can put it in the middle and they each get equal space, or you can drag it back and forth if you need more room for your spreadsheet or if you need more room for your web page. In addition to that, you'll notice that one tab has now sort of merged into two tabs. They still have individual buttons to close each individual tab, but there is no split in between the tab. What a great UI. That makes a lot of sense for what we're doing here, because I can click over to this other tab, the Verizon web page, and then click back to this dual tab, and I get those split screen tabs again. Okay, now we're gonna go pro level, beyond just the basic split screen setup. I have this new icon right next to my address bar, and that is the split screen icon. So if I click on that icon, I've got some options here. So option one is to separate the views. What that's gonna do is take us back to exactly how we were before and separate those tabs back out. Option 2 and option 3 are to close the left view or close the right view. Now, we can do the same thing here by clicking on one of the X's on either of these views. If I click on the Yahoo X, for example, it closes that Yahoo tab, but leaves the spreadsheet tab open. And that's exactly what these options do. Do I want to close the view on the left, or do I want to close the view on the right? Obviously, the one on the left would be the Yahoo page, the one on the right would be the spreadsheet. It will close that tab and just leave the other one. I like this too, reverse views, because oftentimes you're like, well, this is great, but I want the spreadsheet on the left-hand side. Reverse views will simply do that. It swaps those split screen tabs. Now remember, this is its own tab now, so I can click and drag this tab and move it around in the Google Chrome browser just like I would any other tab. This is so incredibly useful, and I see myself using this every single day. So that is the brand new feature in Google Chrome. Again, I think a lot of people are going to use that, but what I want to do is I want to show you a feature that lets you kind of do the same thing, but with other apps. And this has been around for a while. This is built into Microsoft Windows, but I think a lot of people don't know about it. I use it all the time, and maybe I'll use it less now because I have that feature inside Chrome, but this still is useful, especially if you're using something like Microsoft Excel. That is its own app, and sometimes you want Microsoft Excel on one side and a website or a Google Doc on the other side. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so for example, I'm inside of a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet right now, and this is actually easier than you think, and you may have done this accidentally, but this is how you do it on purpose. So if I grab the top bar of any app and I click and hold and pull it down, of course that turns it into a floating window, but then I drag it over to one side of the screen. I'm going to drag it over to the right side of the screen, and boom, it says, hey, you want this to be half your screen, and then when you let go, It'll then make that half the screen, and now you've got the option of choosing any one of your other open apps to be the left side of the screen. So in this case, I'm going to choose my Google Chrome app, and now I've got a split screen in Windows between two different apps. This is not inside Google Chrome. I've got Google Chrome here on the left-hand side, and then I've got Microsoft Excel on the right-hand side. And this works in many ways similar to how we did that inside the Google Chrome app, where you have a bar in the middle. And notice when I put my mouse over it, it expands, and I can drag that bar back and forth and resize that split screen view, because sometimes you want Excel maybe to be a little bit smaller and you want more space on the browser, or vice versa. So this is super useful for anybody who needs to use two different apps at the same time on the same screen. If you have a nice wide screen, this is a really useful feature. I hope that was super useful for you. This feature is rolling out right now. You should have the newest update in Google Chrome. This should work across all of the operating systems. Just make sure you have the newest version of Google Chrome. I think it rolled out in October or November of 2025. If this was helpful, comment below. Let me know if you think you'll be using this feature. And I'd love it if you subscribe to the channel. It helps me grow here on YouTube. And of course, I've got a lot more cool tech tips, unboxings, product reviews coming your way right here on YouTube. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk.